Hello traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna share my recent trade which traded on HDFC life insurance and the reason behind the trade, and we made a profit of 14,000 rupees. First of all, we need to find market direction. From the long term perspective, we can see market is in a bullish trend. Then we need to draw Fibonacci retracement to know where the market will get the support and resistance. Draw Fibonacci from the bottom level to the top. Then we need to draw the horizontal resistance and support zone. Then we can draw a trend line like this. And also draw another trend line like this as well. And we can see a triangle pattern here. Then we can draw another zone area like this. And we can see a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Left shoulder, head and another shoulder. So we can place a long position above this level, and when it got triggered, then we can place the stop loss and target. Wait for the price action. Our long position got triggered, so we can place the stop loss and target. We can place stop loss right behind this candle, and we can keep the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. And the triangle pattern got breakout happened here. We can see another double bottom pattern as well, and it also got breakout happened here as well. We won the trade and we booked the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. Reason behind the trade: first of all, market is in a uptrend. From the long term perspective, we can see market is in a bullish trend. Second reason, we can see market gets support at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. It's a healthy retracement level. Third reason, we can see a inverse head and shoulder pattern, and it also break the neckline. And fourth reason, the triangle pattern got breakout happened. Fifth reason, we can see a double bottom pattern, and it also break the neckline as well. And sixth reason, we can see it's a demand zone. This sixth reason we took the trade and we booked the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. This is my console future and option and HDFC life. And we can see we made a profit of 14,000 rupees. If you get any knowledge about price action strategy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.